So, good day everyone. I'm Christopher Tiolpo and I'm going to discuss the sample problems on conversion units. So, let's start. So, the first problem is, how many pounds does 2 kg of cheese weigh? So, here are the solution for number 1 problem. So, 2 kg of cheese times, so in 1 kilogram there is 2.20462 pounds, so times 1 kilogram 2.20462 pounds. So, calculate lang natin. So, yung answer is 4.41 or 0.0924 pounds. So, for second problem is, how many milliliters are in 0.50 quarts? So, here is the solution for number 2 problem. So we have given 1 quarts is equal to 946.353 milliliters. So apply it on conversion factor. So 0.50 quarts times 946.353 milliliters over 1 quart is equal to 973.1765 milliliters. So here's the final answer. For problem number 3 is, how many inches are in 1 kilometer? So for the solution for this is 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meter. Sa 1 meter ay mayroong 39.3701 inches. So apply ulit natin sa conversion factor. So 1 kilometer times 1,000 over 1 kilometer times 39.3701 meter over 1 meter is equal to, so cancel lang ulit natin yun, times natin yun 1, so the answer is 370.1 inches. Here is the final answer. So the next problem is, how many feet are in 3.45 kilometer for number 4? So we have given 1 kilometer is equal to 3.280.84. So here is the solution or solving. So 3.45 kL times 32 or 3.280.84 feet over 1 km or kilometer is equal to 11.313 or 11,313.898 feet. So here is the final answer. For next problem is how many kilometers are in 5 miles? So we have given 1 mile is equal to 1.6934 kilometer. Here's the solution or solve. Apply ulit natin sa cancellation process. So 5 mile times lang natin sa 1.6934 over 1 mile. So the answer is 8.0467 kilometer. For problem number 6 is how many yards are in 72.5 miles? So we have given 1 mile is equal to 1,760 yards. So apply lang ulit natin sa cancellation process. So 72.5 miles times 1,760 yards over 1 mile. Cancel lang natin yung mile. Is equal to 127,600 yards. So here's the final answer. For sample problem number 7 is how many centiliters? For sample problem number 7 is how many centiliters are in 979 milliliters? So we have given 1 milliliters is equal to 1 cubic. Sorry, so how many centiliters are in so how many cubic meters are in? So we have cubic meters. So play ulit natin sa cancellation process. 979 times 1 cubic 1 centimeter cube over 1 milliliters is equal to 979 cubic centimeter. For sample problem number 8 is how many kelvins are in negative 15.50 Celsius? The formula for this problem is K is equal to Celsius plus 273.15. Apply natin ulit. So yung Kelvin na para mo yung Kelvin is 15.5 Ang given natin na Celsius plus natin sa 273.15. So yung answer is 257.65 Kelvin. Here is the final answer. For sample problem number 9 is, how many degrees Celsius are in 315 Kelvin? So, ganun lang ulit. Minus naman yung gagawin natin. Formula is Celsius is equal to Kelvin minus 273.15. So, yung given natin is 315 minus 273.15 is equal to 41.85 degrees Celsius. Here's the final answer. For sample problem number 10 is, how many degrees Fahrenheit are in 30.0 Celsius? So, the formula for this problem is Fahrenheit is equal to Celsius times 9/5 plus 32. So, apply lang natin sa formula. So, Fahrenheit is equal to 30 yung Celsius natin times 9/5 plus 32. So, add ko lang natin. So, 30 times 1 is 54 plus 32 is equal to 86.0 Fahrenheit. So here is the final answer. For sample problem number 11 is, how many KL are in it? Sorry, for sample problem number 11 is, how many KL are in 8,383 liters? So, kiloliters into liters. So, you have given 1 kiloliters is equal to 1,000 liters. So, apply lang ulit natin sa cancellation. So, 8,383 times 1 kiloliters over 1,000 liters is equal to 8.383 kiloliters. So, here's the final answer. For sample problem number 12 is, how many centimeter are in 0.783 meters? So, you have given 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. So, apply lang natin ulit sa solution. .783 inches times 2.54 centimeter over 1 inch is equal to 1.98882 cm or 2. So here's the final answer. For sample problem number 13 is, how many meters are in 252 mm? So, yung given natin is 1 meter is equal to 1000 mm. So, try lang na ulit natin sa cancellation process. So, 252 mm times 1 meter over 1000 mm is equal to 0.252 meters. So, here's the final answer. So, for sample problem number 14 is, how many liters are in 2.52 times 10 raised to 4 milliliters? So, the given is 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. So, 252 times 10 raised to 2 milliliters is equal to 252 milliliters. So, 252 milliliters times 1 liter over 1000 milliliters is equal to 0.252 liters. So, here's the final answer. For sample problem number 15 is, how many mm are in 0.123 meters? So, given natin is 1 meter is equal to 1000 mm. Or millimeters. So, apply lang ulit natin sa cancellation. 0.123 meters times 1000 mm over 1 m or 1 meter is equal to 0.252. Is equal to 123 mm. Here's the final answer. For sample problem number 16 is, if the mass of a lead ball is 23.5 gram and the volume is 3.5 milliliters, what is the density of the lead ball? So, the formula for this problem is density is equal to mass over volume. So, yung given natin is, yung mass natin is 23.5 gram over 3.5. Yung volume natin 3.5 milliliter. So, yung answer dito is 6.714 gram per ml. So, here is the final answer. So, for sample problem number 17 is, if the density of carbon tetrachloride is 0.793 gram per ml and the sample has a volume of 19.29 gram per ml, what is the mass? So, yung given natin is D is equal to 0.793 gram per ml times the volume is equal to 9.29 ml. So here's the final answer. For sample problem number 18 is, if the density of propanol is 0.828 gram per ml and the sample has a mass of 14.5 gram, what is the volume? So the given for this problem is, or the formula is, density is equal to 0.828 gram per ml times m equal to mali. So for sample problem number 17 is, if the density of carbon tetrachloride is 0.793 gram per ml and the sample has a volume of 19.29 gram per ml, what is the mass? So yung given is D is equal to 0.793 gram per ml times volt and a volume of 9.29 ml or milliliters. So the solution is mass is equal to density times volume. So times na natin yung dalawa. 0.793 gram per milliliters times 9.29 milliliters is equal to 7.37 grams. So here's the final answer. For sample problem number 18 is, if the density of propanol is 0.828 gram per ml and the sample has a mass of 14.5 gram, what is the volume? So yung given natin is B is equal to 0.828 gram per ml or milliliters and the meter and 14.5 gram. So the solution for this is volume is equal to mass over density. So yung mass natin is 14.5 gram over yung density natin is 0.828 gram per ml. Yung answer is 17.51 milliliters. So use the final answer. So for sample problem number 19 is, how many km are in 2.88 meters or kilometers into meters? So for this problem is, we have given 1 km is equal to 1,000 meters. So tulad ng kanina, 2.88 meters, convert lang ulit natin sa 1 km over 1,000 meters. Cancel. Multiply lang natin. So, we have 0.00288 kilometers. So, here's the final answer. For sample problem number 20 is, how many centiliters are in 4.56 times 10 raised to negative 3 liters? So, the given is 1 liter is equal to 100 cl. The solution is 4.56 times 10 raised to negative 3 liters times 100 centiliters over liters is equal to 0.456 centiliters. So here's the final answer. For sample problem number 21 is, a water sample of mass 0.0204 kilogram is how many liters? So yung density is, or H2O is equal to 1 gram per ml. So given natin is density is equal to 1 gram per ml and 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So since 1 gram per ml is equal to 1 ml, tapos yung 20.4 gram is equal to 20.4 ml. So divide lang natin. So 20.4 ml over 1000. 1,000 gram. So is equal to gram per ml to, no? Gram per ml is equal to 0.0204 liters. So here is the final answer. So for sample problem number 22 is, if gold's density is 19.32 gram per milliliters, how much would a 0.0333 liters sample weigh in grams? So number 22, yung solving dito is mass is equal to density times volume. So we have 19.32 gram per milliliter times 33.33 milliliters. So your answer is 644.0 gram. So here is the final answer. For sample problem number 23 is, table salt has a density of 2.16 gram per milliliters. If you use 2 milliliters on your food, how much milligram is that? So solving natin is convert into mg. So 4.32 gram times 1000 is equal to, so 4,320 milligram ito na consume. So here is the final answer. For sample problem number 24 is, the density of ethanol is 0.802 gram per ml. How much in gram does 9.85 times 10 raised to 2 liters of mass. So we have given 985 liter times 1000 is equal to 985,000 ml. So solve natin. So mass is equal to 0.802 gram per milliliters times 985,000 ml. So yung answer is 789,170 grams. So here is the final answer. For sample problem number 25 is how many EG are in 0.497 gram? So yung given natin is 1 is equal to 10 raised to 18 gram. So yung solution dito is 0.497 gram times natin sa 1 EG over 10 raised to 18 gram. So your answer is 4.97 times 10 raised to negative 19 EG. So here is the final answer for number 25. For sample problem number 26 is how many EG are in 2.49 times 10 raised to 3 milligram. So yung solution dito is 2.49 times 10 raised to 3 milligram times 1 gram over 1000 mg. So is equal to, cancel lang natin to. So yung answer is 2.49 gram. Here's the final answer. For sample problem number 27 is how many ml are in 0.258 liters or ml, milliliters into liters. So we have given 1 liters is equal to 1000 ml. So solution for this is 0.258 liters times natin sa 1000 is equal to 258 milliliters. So here is the final answer. For sample problem number 28 is what is the density in gram per milliliters of a substance that masses of 0.987 kilogram and has a volume of 4.52 times 10 raised to 2 ml. So for number 28, 987 kilograms is equal to 800 or 987 grams. So yung solution is density is equal to 987 grams over 452 ml. So the answer is 2.184 gram per ml. So here is the final answer. For last sample problem is how many water in milliliters would 5.25 milligrams of copper displace? So yung formula is D of copper is equal to 11.53 gram per ml. So 5.25 milligram is equal to 0.00525 gram. So yung formula dito is volume is equal to M mass over density. So yung answer, yung given is 0.00525 gram over 11.53 gram per milliliter. So yung answer dito is 0.000445 milliliters. So here is the final answer. So I hope so that's it, and I hope you learned something in solving conversion of units.